Welcome to the first study of the course, Introduction to Political Science. Introduction. Political science cannot be separate from human behavior. Why? Because political science is concerned with how the society is organized. Therefore, you need to understand the dynamics behind such patterns of behavioral diversities first before learning how to organize the people. Learning objective for study session 1. At the end of the study session, you should be able to 1.1 Discuss the nature and scope of political science. 1.2 Explain the term political science. Objective 1.1 The nature and scope of political science. The nature and scope of political science is first about human relationships. Aristotle began his famous work Polis, with the observation that man is by nature a political animal. By this, he means that the essence of social existence is politics and that two or more men interacting with one another are invariably involved in a political relationship. In other words, no political system without human relationships. Then it is human relationship that births a political system. Objective 1.2. What is political science? Political science is a social science which deals with systems of government, and the analysis of political activities, political thoughts, and political behavior. In conclusion, political science is the nature and character of man. Summary of Study Session 1. In Study Session 1, you have learned about 1. The nature and scope of political science and 2. The meaning of political science.